some breaking news coming in. Aam Aadmi Party MLA Naresh Balyan has been arrested under provisions of the Maharashtra Control of Organised Crime Act, MCOCA. But notably, he has got the bail in extortion matter. Addition Chief Metropolitan Magistrate granted relief to Balyan on a personal bond of rupees 50,000, saying that the investigation cannot pick and choose the evidence gathered during the probe. Okay, so this is what we're learning of right now, Republic TV viewers. Breaking news, Aam Aadmi Party MLA Naresh Balyan, who was arrested under provision of Maharashtra Control Organised Crime Act. And we're coming to know that he's got bail in the extortion case. Now, this story has made a lot of headlines because remember that after the Aam Aadmi Party MLA Naresh Balyan was arrested by Delhi police under the stringent MCOCA, we are coming to know that he has right now got an update. After getting bail in the extortion case, we're coming to know that Naresh Balyan has been re-arrested under the stringent Maharashtra Control of Organised Crime Act just hours after getting bail in an extortion case. So just hours after he's got a bail, he has been re-arrested. I repeat, he has been re-arrested. Balyan, who represents Delhi's Uttam Nagar Assembly constituency, was taken into custody by the Delhi Police Branch. Though the details of the other case, the Maharashtra Control of Organised Crime Act case, we are trying to get more details on that, but he has been re-arrested after he was granted bail in the extortion case by the additional Chief Metropolitan. Big update coming in right now on Republic TV. Remember last Sunday is when he was summoned for questioning at the crime branch, and then he was arrested in connection with the extortion case. And in the latest coming in, viewers, this is big. By the way, this is a big breaking update coming in. He has been re-arrested. I repeat, Naresh Balyan has been re-arrested under the stringent Maharashtra Control of Organised Crime Act hours after being granted bail in an extortion case. So more trouble for Naresh Balyan, more trouble coming up for him. We'll try to connect to reporters as well. And his arrest has led to already a lot of political war of words, especially between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP. All right, let's go back to the parliament now. We're getting some more updates coming in. Opposition, let's go to what the opposition is doing outside the parliament. More breaking news coming in right now. All right, those pictures will be again on your screen with the opposition staging a protest outside the parliament. This is coming in as you viewers, as the opposition has time and again asked for some issues to be discussed. It's led to opposition walking out in some cases as the houses have reconvened for the winter session. So that is what we are seeing right now, Republic TV viewers. As we keep getting more updates, the pictures coming in, you can see Rahul Gandhi there. Remember that this is coming in as also there's a lot of speculation that is there a crack in the Indy bloc because Trinamool and Samajwadi Party have skipped parliament protests. Big update coming in right now on Republic TV. Now you can see the leader of opposition there, Rahul Gandhi, and some other allies. Priyanka Gandhi can be seen, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra can be seen as well in these pictures. Who they are leading the protests. These pictures are coming in first on Republic TV. The Congress MPs and the Indy bloc are demanding the discussion on the Adani issue. And a lot of ruckus being created. And they've also walked out of Lok Sabha. Remember that a lot of opposition MPs in the past have past few days walked out of the Lok Sabha on issues like Adani and Sambal Balance and the opposition's ruckus, which has been created by them, has marred parliament proceedings in the winter session, which is ongoing right now. Now, those are the pictures coming in live from outside parliament. It's the latest opposition protest that we are getting for you right now. At the same time, you can see the Lok Sabha proceedings are underway. But the opposition, once again, not inside the parliament, but outside the parliament, staging a protest and raising slogans.